In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create multiple pages. The first option that everyone uses is moving to pages and clicking on all pages. Now, you can simply click on Add a new page to create a new page, but you'll be able to create pages one by one over here. To create multiple pages, simply go to Appearance and click on Customize. I'm using a Vision theme. Your theme might offer different options. Go to Menus. Let's create a new menu. Give this menu a name. Select the menu location and click on Next. Here, let's add menu items. These are the existing pages. You can click on the respective plus icon to add it to the menu. To add pages, simply add your page name over here. Once you're done, click on Add. Similarly, you can create various pages and add them to the menu like this. Repeating the process, let's add a few menu items. Once done, you can see the menu items here. You can edit page names as well, like this over here. Once everything's in place, don't forget to publish the changes. Moving back to all pages, you can see the pages we created. This is how easy it is to create multiple pages in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.